YouTube, what's the mother deal? It's your boy Tank B Choppin, aka Tank the Barber, coming at y'all with another YouTube video. In this video, I'm actually gonna be going over some tips on how to make more money as a barber in 2020. Let's get it. These tips ain't in any particular order, I'm just speaking on them and hopefully y'all take some value from this. Your first tip, make sure you're making appointments. It's 2020, guys. There's no reason why you shouldn't be making appointments. People come into the shop, people call the shop. They got places to be, they got things they need to do. So they're calling the shop, they're trying to schedule an appointment. That way they can come in and out. So make sure you honor those appointments, get those clients in at those scheduled times. That way you can make more money. Use a booking app. I use an app myself. It's like $19.99 a month, and I swear this app has made my life so much easier. I don't have to worry about texting, calling, playing phone tag, all that. They get on the app, they search me up, look up the time, look up the service, boom, done, show up at the time, I got you, let's go. Next tip, charge more. Sounds pretty simple and straight to the point, but hey, it is what it is. And to do this, you can either add a service that's higher in price or you can add to your service. For instance, I do a haircut and a beard trim, $35. And I added to that service by doing the hot towel. I didn't used to do the hot towel, now I do. Clients enjoy it. And even though it's a more expensive service, sometimes my clients even tend to pay more because it's more luxurious. It's more of a luxury item. So therefore, just adding to my service that I already had caused some of my clients to pay more. And what I mean by adding a service is you can add like a VIP treatment where you do, the eyebrows, beard trim, the hot towel, a black mask, and that can be, $70. And that way you can make more money. Make sure you schedule it properly though, so that way your clients have enough time to be in and out of your chair, and that way you stay on schedule. All right, let's keep it moving with this next tip. Make sure you're accepting credit cards and other types of payment. People come in all the time. Like I said, it's 2020. Some people just don't be having cash anymore. With this being said, you're gonna need to accept cards. I know a lot of people don't wanna do it. You might not wanna pay X amount of money on taxes, but I promise you, if you accept credit cards or Cash App, PayPal, things like this, clients will tip more. People tend to pay with that card, they don't mind tipping more. Therefore, if you're accepting cards, you're allowing yourself to make more money. Another tip that I can't stress enough, I know a lot of barbers on Instagram be posting, oh, I don't cut kids, but make sure you're cutting kids. A lot of my clients who pay really well, great clients, are single moms who bring their kids in here to get haircuts. Not only is this money in your pocket right now, but this is possibly a long-time client, so make sure you stay cutting kids, guys. Make sure you're promoting yourself. A lot of people are like, oh, I don't need to promote myself, I make enough money as is. That don't matter. Make sure you stay with business cards on you. When clients leave your chair, give them a business card and be like, hey, you mind sending over some people my way? Ask for referrals, things like this. When you go out, wear a shirt that has something to do with barbering, your barbershop. That way people see you and it's a conversation starter. I have shirts that I'll be wearing when I go out. People are like, oh, you cut hair? Where you cut hair at? Boom, we're already talking. Hand them a business card. Next thing you know, they're coming in for a haircut. Make sure you are building relationships with your clients. Don't just have them in here, cut their hair, and kick them out. Find out a little bit about them. Talk to them, see what they got going on in their lives. See if y'all got common interests. Build on that, you know what I'm saying? Clients love to talk. If you build a relationship with them, chances are they're going to continue to come and probably pay you more just because they like to come and just kick it and shoot the shit with you. So build a relationship with your clients, guys. I promise you it's going to do you good in the end. One tip that I was told a long time ago, I didn't want to do it because at the time when I first started barbering, I was young and I was trying to party and I was trying to do my own thing. But come in early and stay late. I know a lot of times you don't want to do that, or sometimes you're not able to. So if you don't have a key to the shop you work at and you're not able to come in early or stay late, then what you need to do is you need to find out what time doors actually open. You need to be here at that time. You need to stay here until the last barber leaves. Reason being, the longer you're here, the more opportunity you have to cut more people, whether it's walk-ins, whether it's people calling the shop. This is going to bring you more money, so you want to make sure you can stay here as long as you possibly can and make that money. Another tip that's going to help you bring in more money in 2020 is be consistent. If you have this client who comes into you every week, his haircut should look pretty close to the same every time he comes in and every time he walks out. His haircut should not be changing if it's the same exact haircut. If your client gets a 3 and a ball fade, there's no reason why one week it should be high, the next week it should be low, kind of a drop fade the next week. Be consistent with your cuts. If they come in and they're like, hey, give me the same thing, they want what you gave them last time. So you got to be consistent with that, guys. You got to be here at the time that you say you're going to be here. That's consistency. And one last tip that I got to help us bring in more money for 2020 is be on time, but don't rush. Your client knows when you're rushing. Do not rush your client out of the chair. Make sure you allow yourself enough time to get your clients in and out. This is gonna help you be on time. Your client doesn't want to schedule an appointment at 9 o'clock, show up at 8:55 or 8:58, and you tell them, hey, I got another client in front of me, or I'm running 20, 30 minutes behind. Your clients don't want to hear that. Now, we all know things happen in life. Other clients may show up late. We may show up late due to certain circumstances. But if 9 times out of 10 you're on time, I promise your client's gonna appreciate it. And through time, they're gonna end up tipping you more because they appreciate the fact that you're on time, that you're reliable, that you're being consistent, and that you're not rushing them out of the chair. So I hope these tips helped you guys. If you have any other tips for other barbers who wanna make more money in this game in 2020, go ahead and drop them down in the comments below. Y'all make sure y'all like this video, share. If you don't already, please subscribe. This is Tank the Barber, aka Tank be Choppin', and I hope y'all found this video valuable. I appreciate y'all for watching. See y'all later, YouTube.